Hello and welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Reggae icon Sizzla destroyed 2 certified platinum plaques he received after being featured on DJ Khaled's albums Grateful and Father of Assad. In multiple videos posted on his Instagram page, Sizzla is seen dismantling and setting ablaze the plaques while expressing his displeasure about not seeing his name on them.
Oh, you feel like DJ Khaled, you can style Sizzla. Let me boss you, man. August Stone boss. Jokey. More fire pan.
He added that he had to be using a magnifying glass to read his name. Despite his displeasure, he showed respect to DJ Khaled's son Assad, stating that the babies are innocent and avoided damaging Assad's photo. Sizzla contributed a verse on the I'm So Grateful single on the album. It debuted #1 on the US Billboard 200 album chart with 149,000 equivalent album units, of which 50,000 were pure sales. Following Sizzla's video, dancehall producer Scatterburrell took to his Instagram with a post advising how to make adjustments to the fonts. He added that, quote, producers, musicians, and artists, keep working and let's not forget that talent without discipline will only get you so far, end quote. Khaled has worked with several Jamaican artists over the years and has partnered with Kalonji on multiple occasions. Ouch. Celine Dion has revealed that she's been diagnosed with a stiff person syndrome, SPS, a rare neurological disorder with features of an autoimmune disease. It has left her with difficulties walking and singing, making her unable to perform planned shows in Europe next year. The Canadian singer made the announcement in a video posted on Instagram this morning as she postponed or cancelled more of her European tour dates. The condition is characterized by sudden severe muscle spasms.
These spasms affect every aspect of my daily life, sometimes causing difficulties when I walk and not allowing me to use my vocal cords to sing the way I'm used to.
Her shows from August to October are set to proceed as scheduled. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.